Okay, so I got a piece of leather here that's got a rip in it. I'm gonna go ahead and repair it. Gotta use the alcohol pad to clean it up. All right. Okay. So I already got something in the back of it. And it just says to put some glue in there. And so and this is actually, you heat this up and you press it and it actually works a little bit faster. But I'm just going to use it and press it on because I ain't really needing to heat anything up. Now you can't even really tell where it's been ripped unless you look really close. And it holds pretty good. So I give it a thumbs up. Worked good for me. So there you go.